How to stop receiving messages on Instagram without blocking. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Now, head over to the profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Scroll down. Under how others can interact with you, you'll get the option of messages and story replies. Click on that option. Now click on this option, message request. How people can reach you. Click on the option Your followers on Instagram. You'll get two options, message request or don't receive request. Set it to don't receive request. Now you won't receive any messages from your followers. So this way you are able to avoid messages from your followers without blocking them. Likewise, head back. Now click on the option Others on Instagram. Set it to don't receive request. Now you won't receive messages from any other person on your Instagram. So this is how you can stop receiving messages on Instagram without blocking. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.